Module-based planning provides complete planning and budgeting solutions for financials, workforce, capital, projects, and strategic modeling, with built-in, best practice, predefined content, including forms, calculations, dashboards, drivers, and key performance indicators. Financials provides integrated driver-based planning for income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. Let's plan for some driver and trend-based revenue. Navigate between sections using the links on the page. For your driver-based revenue, you can enter your assumptions here and make adjustments here. So let's say you want to take the prior year's actual average for the volume and average selling price. However, you want to include a 4% increase in the volume and an additional $36 increase in the average selling price. You can expand the periods to display quarters and months. You can enter your adjustments at a granular level by expanding periods. For example, the additional $36 increase in the average selling price will be done in the last 3 months of the fiscal year. I can enter my data in Q4 or enter more specific data in October, November, and December. The average selling price for the year is automatically calculated. The calculated total from your assumptions, based on the prior year's average, plus the 4% increase in volume, can be seen here. Totals are displayed in this column. You enter assumptions used by account drivers on this page. You can view the updated calculation in this graph. Let's take a look at the calculated revenue based on the driver information you entered. Here's the calculated data based on the data we entered. You can also enter additional adjustments on this page. On revenue trends, variances between years, periods, and scenarios are displayed. You can find the prior year and current year's trends on this page. You can create reliable future plans by basing them on trends. You can view the calculations in these two sections. Variances are displayed on this page. Next, let's go to the Direct Entry tab. For accounts which you cannot plan based on drivers, or prior year, current year, or trend-based values, you can manually enter or edit data. For example, freight may be entered manually. Our shipping department provides an estimate for freight. You can manually enter the data here. For expense planning, you can follow similar procedures when entering driver, trend, and manual data. On the Report tab, you can review income statement plan data, as well as variances between years, periods, and scenarios. The plan data automatically flows to the pre-configured income statement. We can take a look at the Financials Integration Summary, which is included in Financials. Here we can see how each module contributes to our revenue or expenses. For example, the detailed workforce plan by employee is aggregated so we can better understand its impact on our profit and loss. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.